Okay. And now we have the opportunity to win this super chest, but let's see what weapons it has. Okay. For sure I will win this weapon ahead because you need to be very close to your enemies. Or maybe this primary, which I don't like because it's an automatic and I prefer the shotguns. But let's open it and see what's going on with the super chest this time. 50 pieces, which is not good. And here we have the super chest. Let's run. Damn it. It would have been nice if I had the vertical cruise device, but it's okay. Well, we finally were able to start a new match. Just to test this weapon I got from the super chest. The only bad thing is that you have to charge. Shit. Why this shit is always behind me? I don't know how they fucking kill me through the walls. And this shit is follow me. Takes like forever to recharge. I don't know how in the fuck they killed me with that shit gun, because I have the same gun and I can kill no one. Well, this is the weapon I got from the super chest, which I think is kind of good because it has very good damage, but the fire rate is kind of good. But the bad thing is you have to charge before shooting and take some time to charge, so you can use the weapon to shoot faster, like a trigger spam, because you need to charge the arrow before shooting it. But otherwise the weapon is good. It looks great. The scope is nice because it has like X-ray or infrared, I think, and you have invisibility after killing one enemy, so it's 50-50 for me between good and bad, because I didn't like it. I won't use this weapon, so that's only my opinion. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos and stay tuned.